We are at Konkan. We are
हीच
meeting
नदी तिकडे त्या
after
जंक्शनला भेटत होती
so many days.
समुद्रात.
This is my brother Adhar. Just came after 1 year. So, see where we are and tell how it looks.
हळूहळू एवढं फास्ट नाही
So how it looks, you comment. And we both are going to Goa. Yes, but today we are going to Goa. So
See those roots? Those are the roots of tree.
this is the route.
We're doing one video, sorry.
My brother is saying video. So we are going to Goa. And we will meet you next time because now we are riding. It's not allowed to take a video, but then also we are taking. So we will meet next time. So bye.
Okay, goodbye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.